actually, I just ran up and down the stairs because my World of Wool order came and I'm like super excited to open it, but I'm not gonna let myself do it till I finish this. I think this camera's a little crooked. Hi, welcome to FiberLoveDiary. I'm Trisha if we haven't met, and if we have met, welcome back. What are you doing? What are you making? And how is your little corner of the world doing? It's a real question right now. Everything here is fine. Yesterday was kind of a crazy emotional day, but I got to unbox this fiber from Paradise Fibers. Look at it. I'm just gonna give you an opportunity to gaze at its loveliness. And the minute I opened it, I knew what I wanted to do. I've had sort of, I don't want to say a similar idea, but I guess it's a branching off of an idea that I had for this fall that I haven't actually even tried yet. I'm going to incorporate some of this black merino that I got from RH Lindsay. And then I'm also going to use some of the Angelina that was in the box with this. But I think I'm only gonna use the fuchsia. I'm gonna use my drum carder and make a bat and pull it into Roving, and let's spin it. Okay, so here's the first layer. There is another layer of Angelina trapped in there. And we are gonna go ahead and put a whole layer of this on it now. Look how beautiful. It's like a watercolor painting where all the colors are kind of swirled in together. And I love it. Okay, I'm gonna take it off. What are you doing? You having fun camping? You having fun? So I did use a drum carder. There's ways that you could do this on a hackle, which you can make out of hair picks, the wire kinds. You could do this on a blending board. In fact, if you wanted to keep the color a little more intact, I would suggest a blending board because you could put the top on it without interrupting the stripes as much. I was going for a heather. I am thrilled with how it turned out. So happy Halloween. Oh, I forgot my costume. So happy Halloween. I hope you guys have a good one. I'm sorry there isn't much trick-or-treating available. I hope you eat tons of candy. Don't make yourself sick. We've all done it. And I'll see you guys soon. Love you. Bye.